Hey everyone, in today's quick guide, I'll show you how to connect your GameSir G7 SE controller to your Cronus Zen step by step. First, make sure you have your GameSir G7 SE, the Cronus Zen device, a USB-C cable, and the latest version of Zen Studio installed on your PC. Start by connecting your Cronus Zen to your computer using the Prog USB port. Open Zen Studio and check for any firmware updates. If an update is available, install it before moving forward. Next, plug your GameSir G7 SE into one of the front USB ports on the Cronus Zen using the USB-C cable that came with the controller. Set the controller to X input mode for the best compatibility. This ensures it's recognized properly as an Xbox-style controller. In Zen Studio, go to the Device Monitor tab to confirm that the controller input is being detected. You should see button presses and stick movements registering on screen. Once confirmed, you can load your preferred scripts, macros, or game packs and assign them to available memory slots. After setup, connect your console, Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch to the Cronus Zen's main USB port. Select the correct console mode on the Zen, then test everything in-game to ensure all buttons and triggers respond correctly. If anything doesn't work, unplug and reconnect the controller, then reboot the Zen.